Loops. In this video we will be looking at loops, and no, not the loops you use to tie your shoelaces. In programming it is important to be able to do certain action multiple times. They are called loops. There are three main types of loops. While loop, do while loop, and for loop. The simplest of which is the while loop. Let's say, for example, you want the program to display all the numbers from 1 to 10, but you don't want to write out system out print 10 times like we did in the previous lecture. You would use a while loop. How would that look? Integer I is equal to 1. While I is less than 11, system out print on I plus plus. We increment I so it goes from 1 to 10 and is not infinite. This takes away a lot of lines of unnecessary code. Next we look at the do while loop. This is basically the same, but the main difference is that the loop will always run one time first. In the last example, if I was 11, the loop would never run. In do while loops, it would have run once. How would this look? Int I is equal to 1, do, system out print 1i plus plus. And then while I is less than 11, end of program. This cuts a lot of code out, but it can be even shorter with the for loop. In the two previous loops, we have to declare an int that would manage when you break out of the loop. With the for loop, you declare this within the statement. How would this look? Integer I is equal to 1, I is less than 11, and then I plus plus. As you can see, this cuts even more lines of code. To do this loop, you declare a variable, set the condition, and increment the variable. As before, we need to make sure the loop only executes the amount of times we want it to. So we set this with int I is equal to 1, then we set the condition, I is less than 11, and then increment I plus plus, which looks like for int I is equal to 1, I is less than 11, I plus plus. Thank you for watching this tutorial on loops.